Ever wonder how a humble legume becomes a silky, shelf-stable spread? Let's trace the peanut butter line like an engineer. Controls, checkpoints, and all. We'll move step by step, from intake to sealing, calling out temperatures, times, particle sizes, and the QC gates that make every jar consistent. Peanuts thrive in sandy loam and warm climates, about a 120-day season, setting up uniform moisture and oil profiles for processing. Major producers include the US, Georgia, Texas, Alabama, plus China, India, and Argentina. Supply defines roast profiles and blend ratios on the line. Harvest starts near 12% hull moisture, timed for minimal split damage and efficient field curing. Windrow curing drops kernels to roughly 6% moisture in 2 to 3 days, the storage sweet spot that prevents mold and off notes. At intake, probes log moisture. Composite samples run rapid aflatoxin tests. Target, John 15 ppb. If higher, lots go to hold and release pending confirmation. QA screens for insect damage, FM defects, and moisture. Aflatoxin is a HACCP-CCP. Only compliant lots advance to pre-clean. Vibrating screens around 6 mm pull stones and sticks. Aspiration lifts dust. Magnets and metal detectors catch ferrous fines before washing. A sanitizer bath, typically 100-200 ppm peracetic acid for $30 S. Then a high-pressure spray rinse resets microbial load ahead of sortation. Operators hand-pick while RGB/IR optical sorters eject discolored and damaged kernels. Typical defect spec: 1-2% after sort. Hot air dryers at 70 degrees Celsius stabilize kernels to 6-8% in roughly 15 minutes. Uniform moisture means uniform roast color. Where delicate notes matter, low-temperature vacuum drying reduces bound water at gentler conditions to protect flavor volatiles. Roasting runs in batch drums, 150-200 kilos per charge, or in fluid bed lines up to 2 th. Airflow, belt speed, and exhaust humidity are logged. A dark profile: 165 degrees Celsius for 20 miniers, then 185 degrees Celsius for number 5. Endpoint color is tracked with Agtron or Hunter Lab targets for repeatability. A lighter roast, about 165 degrees Celsius for number 12 malas min hours, tuned by exhaust moisture and kernel temperature to hit the right sweetness and snap. Infrared sensors read surface temperature in real time. PID controls trim heat to avoid scorching and color drift. A rapid cool, about 30 S of forced air, arrests Maillard reactions and sets texture for efficient skin removal. Primary grind: a coarse mill reduces nuts to a 150-250 mm paste, grit still present but flowable. Secondary grind in a colloid mill or homogenizer polishes to 10-50 mm, building gloss and uniform mouthfeel. Jacketed cooling strips friction heat to 45 degrees Celsius to protect flavor and keep viscosity in the controllable range. For crunchy styles, 10-15% roasted peanuts are chopped to 2-4 meters. Size distribution is verified with sieves. These inclusions fold in after the second grind. Texture without tearing the emulsion. Stabilizers: 0.5 to 2% hydrogenated vegetable oil or palm, limit oil separation over shelf life and ease spreading. Emulsifiers such as soy lecithin at 0.1-0.3% reduce yield stress, smoothing the first spread experience. Salt runs 1-2%. Sweeteners are optional. A high shear mix for 2 to 3 minutes targets MAR 3 to 8 PAAs at 25 degrees, typical table spread viscosity. Inline NIR tracks fat, protein, and moisture to SPC limits. Moisture typically plus 0.2%. Post-grind temperature alarms above 45 degrees Celsius. Every 30 minutes, a trained panel checks aroma, roast notes, sweetness, and salt. Particle size is confirmed by laser diffraction or sieves. Filling runs in a clean room. Nozzles nitrogen purge jars to drive headspace oxygen below 2% before dispense. Facilities operate class 100 to 1000 zones, with HEPA filtration and positive pressure to control airborne particulates. Seals: induction for glass, heat seal for PET. Seal integrity is a CCP, verified by peel strength and leak checks. Labels carry batch and lot codes, nutrition and expiry. Vision systems verify presence and print clarity at line speed. Cameras check cap alignment, rejects auto-divert. Metal detection or X-ray scans cases. Typical sensitivities: Fe 2.0 mm, non-Fe 2.5 mm, SS 3.0 mm. Finished goods can rest at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius where required, then ship FIFO to maintain texture and flavor. Temperature and movement are logged end-to-end. Data recorders tie each pallet to its route. Long hauls use refrigerated trailers held at 4 degrees Celsius when specified. Telematics stream conditions in real time. Regional hubs stage product in temperature-monitored bays so every jar arrives within spec. On the shelf, finished peanut butter is ambient stable. Many lines publish best use windows for peak spreadability. After opening, refrigeration is often recommended to hold body and reduce oil rise. Stir gently if separation occurs. From soil to spoon, it's a symphony of agriculture, thermal engineering, rheology, analytics, and food safety. The next time you spread a slice, hear the quiet hum of roasters, mixers, and scanners, and the science behind shelf life and oxidation checks. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite PB combo in the comments. Want more? Tap the next video right here.